You want to be a Simpson? You want to be a...
I believe it's more igneous rock. So I've asked you to write about how you think this landform was created. And who would like to share maybe a couple of their thoughts or ideas on that?
I think it was probably made by earthquakes.
By earthquakes? Okay.
Mud, rain, and wind.
We're going to be outside probably for about 15 or 20 minutes in total. And your job today is going to be to observe. And you're going to be recording your observation using pictures and words. You may use numbers as well. How do you think we might be able to use numbers if we're looking at how Mount Gardner is being affected by different earth materials?
How tall it is and how wide it is.
How tall and wide? Okay. Edward, how else?
How much it grows and how much it shrinks.
So the lesson we did today was landforms, and we were starting the unit trying to have students realize how water affects changes in land formations. And so the way we did that today was to have the students come out and observe changes on our Mount Gardner that we built this morning to see how the water flow affects the changes in the land. All right, now,
Can
Christian.
I take pictures?
Yeah, you can, definitely. I want you to slowly pour this. Bless you.
I'll take it.
Slowly pour it. All right, you guys over the top of the mountain. Pour it over the top of their hands. Okay, the rest of us, let's stand back and just observe what happens, guys. Just observe. All right, stop. I want you to describe what you're seeing, guys, not just naming it. We're describing the actual thing. Time is passing.
It's drying off.
We have weathering, we have rain. All right, ready? What have you observed just now? What do you observe just now?
Volcano eruption.
High wind pressure.
Let's see some hands, please. Does earth material get moved very quickly or very slowly by wind?
Very slowly.
Okay. I feel that doing this activity outside helps to have students realize what is really happening to the land formations when we are affected by rain and other types of weathering and wind. We do this activity inside with the stream tables, and I believe that there's a greater impact by doing it outside because students are able to really see some significant changes in the landform, and they're able to visualize more easily. Okay, so let me just say that again. If we look at water as a force, how can we describe what we just observed? We need to observe what's going to happen again over time. How's water?
Gonna make another igneous rock.
All right. How's water going to affect our mountain? Okay.
Nothing at all.
The steeper the slope of a landform, the faster water will flow down it, and the faster the potential is for that landform to change, especially when there are major rainstorms or flood-like events.
Hit the floor!
Right there. No, the one line. Right here, Mr. Hernandez.
What do we see? What is this, guys? What is it? A river. All right. So, can mountains have rivers on them?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. What was at work out there?
What?
Edward.
Weathering.
What is weathering?
It's like when weather changes something, like mountains or something else.
Okay. How is it changing?
Because the rain made by Mr. Martin, it made a landslide.
Rain was one way. Okay.
And when you were blowing on it as wind, most of the dirt fell off.